In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format date in Microsoft Access Query. When you're working with dates in Access, the goal is often to present them in a clear, consistent way without changing the underlying value. The most flexible way to do that in a query is with the format function. Think of it as a presentation tool. It takes a true date time value and returns a text version that looks exactly the way you want. Here's the basic idea. The syntax is format your date field. Format. You place your date field in brackets, followed by a comma, and then the desired format pattern in quotes. For example, you can type select format, order date, DDSIM as formatted date from orders. That returns something like 05/04/2026 for a day first style. If you prefer a standardized layout that sorts nicely when treated as text, try select format, order date, YMDD as ISO date from orders. That would display dates like 2026/04/05. One of the best parts of format is how customizable it is. You can mix and match tokens like DD for day, for month, and Y for year. A few common examples include DDDME for 05/04/2026, MMDDY for 04/05/2026, YMD for 2026/04/05, DME for 05 AP year 2026, and DDDMD for a friendly version like Sunday, April 05, 2026. Try different combinations until the result fits your report or export needs. A quick tip on naming: adding an alias with AS makes your output easier to work with. In the earlier example, AS formatted date or AS ISO date gives the column a clear, readable name in the results and any downstream tools. Now, a few important reminders. Formatting changes only how the date looks. It does not modify the stored date time value. That means if you need to sort or filter accurately, it's safer to use the original date field in your criteria and only format in the select list for display. Treat formatted output as text designed for presentation. Also keep in mind that Access respects your computer's regional settings, which can influence how dates appear in forms and reports. Using format in a query gives you explicit control over the displayed pattern, but be aware of local conventions, especially if you collaborate with others who use a different day-month order. If you ever need quick presets, there's also a format datetime function, but when you want full control, format is the go-to choice. With these patterns and tips, you'll keep your dates consistent, readable, and ready for any audience.